Hello composers, Mike here. Let me show you how you can use the amazing collapse mode in the piano roll of Logic Pro X right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. So let's say you're working in your project and that you want to edit one of your MIDI clips here. So you select the clip, go into the piano roll editor, and of course you will find a lot of notes that are not used in your performance here. As well as sometimes you might find yourself way scrolled up or low so you do not see all the notes. That's where the collapse view mode comes into play. You simply go up to this button, and when you click this, Logic will remove all the keys that are not used and only show the ones that are. So let's click on that. And now you can see that this performance actually only uses G1, C2 and D2 in various patterns here. And of course you can see this in the actual piano roll editor, but it's much easier here in the collapse mode. So another advantage is that you also see the actual note names here, G1, C2 and D2, whereas in the piano roll editor you have to either hover your mouse over it to look up here or simply follow the line here to the piano roll here. I especially like to use the collapse mode when I edit several MIDI clips at the same time. So let's select all these taikos here, and then I go into the piano roll editor, and it's quite a mess in here, and it's hard to see all the notes. So press the collapse mode, and it's much easier to edit the velocity values, add some accents, and move around some of the higher notes perhaps, and so on. Now here's my bonus tip for you, and that is to use this collapse view mode when you edit your chord progressions and harmonies. So let's go into the string harmony track here, and in this view it can be hard to see if you want to make inversions and alter the chord voicings. Well, again, much easier if you press the collapse mode and say that, alright, I want to have this G an octave above it. In here you get a much better overview of the actual chord voicings and chord inversions you use. So you can, for example, press on this G2 here and move that one up to G3 to alter the inversion and make the chord leading sound differently. Let's use this F#2, and if you mark this, select Alt-Shift and the arrow up, it will actually move it an octave as well. Please like, share and comment on this video to support my channel, and I will see you in the next video, my friends. Check out my complete video series on Logic Pro X tutorials and tips here on my channel. Learn and master Logic Pro X to boost your music composition and production workflow.